Hello guys, my name is Uwe Inborg from Wolfthrone Studios and welcome back to another video. I was preparing for a session and I faced this problem that is way too common nowadays and always been. When bands send you tracks to mix, I want to show you how to do it properly. So this will take the headache out of us mixing engineers. I will not show any real situation because I don't wanna show any bands that I have worked with like that, but I have made myself an example for you how it can look like sometimes when you get tracks. Let's say you're mixing an album and this is how the tracks delivered to you looks like. I have no idea what is going on here. Well, I can figure out BD, probably bass drum, yeah. And where is snare? This one is apparently snare. And look at this. This is not made up. This is how tracks can look like. Really. And I don't know what stuff is like. And to be honest, I don't care. As a mixing engineer, when I want to mix the tracks, I don't care what is the name of the persons who have done what, because my job is to listen the tracks and mix them. Later, when everything is done, and as a fan, then it's super cool to know, oh my god, did you actually have this artist on your album? That's actually amazing. But when it comes to mixing it, I don't actually care who played what. So for instance, when you see guitar guest Larry, what is that? Is it a solo? Is it rhythm guitars? Like, this is normal that I get delivered tracks like this. Guest singer Christine, guitar Andrew 2, guitar Danny 1, guitar Danny extra, hi-hat, like nothing is organized. So I thought I should make this clear for all how it is the most comfortable for everyone. And this is a tutorial for bands that are looking forward to send their tracks to studios to get mixed. This is how it should look like. Everything should be numbered first of all. So if you have multiple songs, the mixing engineer wants to just drag and drop everything and it should line up exactly like the song previously. So kick mic should, in this example, always be 0-1, kick trig 0-2, and properly labeled exactly what it is. No names, just exactly what it is and where it should be panned from the artist's vision. Like now, snare top is always 3, snare bot, tom 1, tom 2, floor 1, floor 2. These could actually be also labeled so you know, like overhead left and right. It's good that they are named left and rights, but you should talk to the band in this case and ask, is it from drummer's perspective or from audience perspective? Because I made this now, my vision is always to mix drums from the drummer's perspective. So I know that this starts from left and it ends on the right somewhere. I will listen in the overheads where they should be panned anyway. But talk to the artist. What vision do you have with the drums? Should it be audience or drummer perspective? Anyway, as you can see, everything is properly labeled. You know that overhead right and China right. The China is also on the right side. That's good to know. And DI, amp, git one left, git one right. Nothing is hard to understand here. And you see, vocals main, good. Vocals backing, perfect. Then I know that this one should be in focus more than these, for instance. and easily shaker, tambourine, extra, blah blah blah. So now, let's say this is one song. It's no real audio on them now, but just to demonstrate, you drag and drop this inside the project. And this is song 1. And then you want to move on to song 2. And instead of being like, yeah, hi-hat was there, you just go there, grab everything, just drag and drop it like this. And this is song 2. Everything is lined already. And to make it even easier for the mixing engineer, I would say that, but what if we don't play any shaker on this track? It doesn't matter. Just render the track out anyway. So it's easy to drag and drop. And I will see later, oh, it's totally empty. Fine. It was at least really easy for the mixing engineer to just drag and drop everything. And another good thing also, you can, as an artist, when you're in a studio, your home studio or whatever, you line up all the songs in a project and render them, all the songs in the album, as one long file. Like all the songs would be lined up like this, all the way here. And then you just bounce everything, and I see where the songs are starting and ending, and I can do the cuts later. That's also one option. Then everything will be lined up. So this was just a quick, not maybe tutorial, more like a tips that how you make it easier for the mixing engineer as an artist when you're about to send them tracks for mixing. Hope this was helpful in any way. My name is Uwe Inborg. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.